there is always room for improvements. There are more and more demands and needs by a Gen Z. One of the primary reasons Gen Z adopt onto the financial products is simplicity or personalization. And if we don't build that, it's not going to fly. In the existing applications that are running, and probably there are more coming up, there is always room. And one of the primary efforts needs to be added onto how you actually design that particular feature or a service. I'll give you our example. The whole idea of DG Khata have flown on the basis of the design. So it's not some additional financial benefit we have been providing until they started using it. A person who do not know English in our target segment, target market, have adopted onto the DG Khata by just correlating to the colors. So red means what and green means what. So that's how we started. And then our whole cycle afterwards ran around how we're going to get that feedback from them, what's hurting them, and adopt onto it. The design team, one of the primary focus that we put onto is how we can actually have that adoption, and probably one of the primary requirements and the primary ask from any fintech player or any financial service provider in this particular economy is how you actually graduate those people from bottom to up. They're not going to be graduated onto the lending the first day. You need to really understand them first, and then so the approach that we are taking, for instance, is we graduated them onto using our tech platforms. We embedded payments into it, and very recently we are lending as well. So it's all graduating them based on the needs and adding such designs into it that they adopt onto it. Otherwise, it would have been very difficult or probably a failure. First of all, we need to understand that the regulator needs to do a regulator job. We just came out of the FATF situation. Yeah, it's not that they're gonna open up everything, and just the other day we have been discussing on how these crypto accounts are being opened up here in Pakistan, and then Gen Z's got a lot of them. Now, so regulators' expectation needs to be understood very, very fairly. I think they're doing great in terms of allowing us, pushing the commercial banks to integrate with us. And now, as I'm speaking, probably more and more banks are more interested to connect with the fintechs because they're doing job quicker, simpler, better, which the banks probably were, due to any reason, not able to pull through in the past. So the regulator recently, the RAST and the network availability. We had lots of talks just this morning on shared KYC and shared data, and by the regulator. There was a regulator in the first half, there's a regulator in the second half from the State Bank side, talking about open banking, talking about open lending. The basic infrastructure is there. It's just now up to us to really show what we can build. They haven't much done in the space, especially in the space that I'm targeting on. There's a lot that needs to be done. I think more falls onto us than onto the regulator. The basic infrastructure is there for us to utilize. Yeah.